Welcome to JH. I recently gave the YCZ charm Unfolds a spin, and it actually manages to feel unique without screaming for attention. It has that elegant touch that works for both your casual grocery store chic and actual social events where you have to pretend to be fancy. It catches the light beautifully, unlike my future prospects, and stays subtle enough to avoid looking like a disco ball. It's surprisingly sturdy for something that looks this delicate, which is great for those of us who treat our jewelry like it's invincible. It adds just enough detail to an outfit so you don't have to try too hard, because God forbid we put in actual effort. Another thing about this charm is the weirdly personal vibe it gives off. It's more than just an accessory. It feels like it has a soul, or at least a very good marketing team behind it. It pairs with almost anything, making it easy to wear all day while people inevitably ask you where you got it. Apparently, drawing attention in a subtle and tasteful way is still a thing people do. Overall, it's a charming little piece that delivers on both quality and personality. It's definitely worth keeping in your collection, right next to all those other things you promised yourself you'd wear more often.